Maris, emotional na inamin ang breakup nila ni Rico. Sa isang media conference, emotional na umamin ang magandang aktres at singer na si Maris Racal na nagwakas na ang relasyon nila ng singer-composer na si Rico Blanco. Ayon kay Maris, sobrang maraming nagtatanong sa kanya tungkol sa tunay na lagay ng kanilang relasyon, subalit napapangunahan siya ng takot na aminin ang totoo. Pagpapaliwanag pa ni Maris, sobrang fresh pa ang mga pangyayari sa hiwalayan at ito aniya ang pinakamalungkot at pinakahungkag na parte na naranasan niya sa kanyang buhay. Dagdag pa ni Maris, wala raw siyang maiksing sagot sa dahilan ng kanilang hiwalayan dahil sobrang complicated daw nito at sobrang napakahirap. Ayon pa kay Maris, ang relasyon nila ni Rico ay maganda at punong-puno ng pagmamahal. Pag-amin pa ni Maris na sa 5 taon ay tinagal na kanilang relasyon, lagi silang nagkakasundo at hindi niya malaman kung ano nangyari na hindi na-align ang mga gusto nila. Aminado din si Maris na dumadaan siya ngayon sa pagbabago at nais i-improve ang kanyang sarili. Paliwanag pa ni Maris na naintindihan naman daw ni Rico ang kanyang pinagdadaanan sa buhay at napag-usapan daw nila ito ng mabuti. Ayon pa kay Maris, kahit mahal pa nila ang isa't isa, maayos silang naghiwalay ni Rico. Sa huli, nakiusap si Maris na wag i-bash si Rico at handa umano siya anuman ang opinyon ng mga tao sa kanya.
At this point of your life ba, anong mga priorities mo, Maris? Career or personal life? Kasi medyo matagal na rin kay ni Rico. What if at the height of your career, bigla kang alokin? Uso pa naman yung mga marriage proposal.
Focus lang po ako sa career.
So, mas priority mo pa rin yung career. Pero do you see yourself ending with Rico?
Yeah.
Oh, but, sorry. Nagiging emotional ka. Sorry. Would you like to say something?
Can we request for tissue paper, please? Yes. Thank you. Yes, I will get it from here. Okay. Mary's have some. There. I'm so scared. I'm really scared. Dami kasing tanong about him and I'm tired of smiling and nodding. I'm so scared because if I announce it, then it's real. But yeah, Rico and I are over.
So sorry, Maris. Okay lang bang mag-share ka, Maris? Kasi parang emotional ka.
It's fresh. It's been a few weeks. Loneliest, emptiest weeks I've ever experienced in my life. Yeah.
So, I know, may pinagdadaanan ka nga. Pero paano ka nagko-cope up ngayon?
Nanonood lang ako ng Bluey. Ayun lang. Well, walang nagtanong, but, nangyari? Oo. Well, wala akong short answer for it.
hindi ko rin siya malabas ng isang statement lang kasi hindi ganun kadali. Hindi ganun kadali. Sobrang complicated niya na situation. Rico and I, our universe was so beautiful. It was so full of love, laughter, music, everything. It's spontaneity, everything. Sa 5 years namin together, we were always on the same page. Always on the same page. But I don't know what happened to me. Maybe I turned to the next page and saw a new perspective sa life. I had visions of who I want to become, how I want to evolve. I'm so curious about the world. And the truth is, I am going through changes. And alam naman natin yun, change is either good or bad. But what I hate about change is that it's inevitable. Di mo siya matatakasan. And wala ka nang ibang gawin kundi you have to face it and confront it. Because it's been in the back of my head. So yeah, I told Rico about it. I told him my problems, my issues sa buhay. And he took it like a man. He took it like a man. It was a very difficult talk because I love him so much. I love him and he loves me, but I have so many questions about my life and how will I go on sa buhay with him when I have so many questions about me, my sense of self. It was so difficult. But it was a very polite separation. Up to the very end of our relationship, it was still full of love, full of understanding. And Rico is one of a kind. If only I could skip through my 20s, you know. But I can't. I have to face it. I have to sit with my feelings and acknowledge my changes. Ayun lang.
Oh, sorry to hear that, Maris, no? Pero once and for all na lang din, I'm sure kasi after your being open about your situation, maraming magtatanong dahil nga kung nag-click yung ano nyo ni Anthony, baka madamay siya at isipin ng mga fans na may kinalaman si Anthony sa breakup.
No, Anthony is out of the picture here. It's just mainly me and Rico. Mainly me. I'm the issue.
So after this, okay ka pa bang magsalita? Or this is the first and last time na you'll talk about it?
This is the only time I'm gonna ever talk about it.
Okay.
Since, while we're at it, I would like to humbly ask the public to look at us, Rico and I, with understanding and love, because we're both grieving. Hindi naman makokontrol yung mga opinion ng mga tao, but please don't direct your hate towards Rico. because he's too precious for that. If you guys want to throw some punches, I'm ready to take them.
Please subscribe and hit the notification bell para ma-update kayo sa sunod na showbiz news.